Hey everybody, welcome back. It's good to see you. It's Ron. We're inside of the shop here at Concourse Auto Salon. And when we opened this shop back in 2008, that's right, I said it, 2008. We've been here for quite a while. We were doing a lot of restoration of vehicles, and I'm not talking like, you know, old cars or old Porsches. I'm talking about, you know, your average car, your Lexus, your Toyota, your Honda. Customers weren't sure what the future was going to hold, so they wanted to hang on to their cars a little bit longer, breathe a little bit of life back into them, and kind of fall in love with them all over again. And there's a way you can protect your vehicle and still get that just like new feeling. And I have behind me this F150, for instance. It's a 2015. You know, customers got a little bug to buy a new truck, but the new trucks, to replace this truck here is probably a $60,000, $70,000 venture for him. And this truck has got about 40,000 miles on it, but it looks brand new. And the reason why it looks brand new is because when he first bought it, we applied paint protection film to the front, we put window tint on it, and we also put a ceramic coating on the paint. Now you might be wondering, you know, what's window tint going to do for your interior? It's going to protect it, and it's going to keep it from fading. So we have window tint on his front windshield that blocks all the UV coming in, as well as the IR and UV rejection film on all the side glass on there, and that keeps the interior from fading out. I personally drive an F250, and the person who owned it before me never put tint on the front two windows, and my front two door panels have faded compared to the back ones where it has tint. Paint protection film on the front of your vehicle is going to keep it from getting rock chips. So this film here that's on here is SunTech Ultra. It's self-healing, and it's not self-healing if you gouge it or you take a big hit from a stone, but it heals itself from all those fine scratches that you typically see on a black paint job. And it also protects it from the bird bombs and tree sap and things like that. And this car has actually even been hailed on, and we repaired the hail damage with the film on there. When we get to the paint and we talk about the ceramics on the paint, Ceramic Pro is a nano ceramic, meaning it has little nanoparticles. So your paint is kind of porous and has hills and valleys like this under a microscope. And every time we deposit a little bit of Ceramic Pro on there, those little nanoparticles fill up those pores, eventually filling this all the way up, creating a more hydrophobic surface, and also creating a stronger, harder surface, more impervious to scratches. So every time we wash this truck, and it hasn't been here since December, so it was pretty dirty, we're always amazed at how well his truck cleans up and how much it looks like a brand new truck. He's not really rough on it. He takes care of his stuff, and he does the maintenance to it. So every year we do our annual maintenance for ceramic on it, and we check the film and make sure the film's holding up. This film here has a 10-year warranty, so if it ever starts to fail, we'll go ahead and replace it for him at no charge. And by failing, I mean losing its gloss or changing colors or delaminating or anything like that. And the same thing goes with the ceramic. The ceramics that we apply here have either a 2-year, a 5-year, or a lifetime warranty. So coming in every year for that yearly maintenance on the ceramic allows us to catch any problems before they get any worse, creating a bigger problem down the road for you. So if you want to keep your car looking new and fresh, and if you just bought a new car, because there's a lot of sweet deals going on out there right now with 0% interest, give us a call and we'll get you a price on doing what we've done exactly to this beautiful 2015 F-150. This is Ron at Concourse Auto Salon. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you at the shop soon.